issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, western Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina, Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina, Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
We're under a severe thunderstorm.
At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Hamlet to near Gordon, moving east at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: Emergency Management reported many trees down around Darlington. The following impacts are expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Florence, Bennettsville, Hartville, Marion, Dillon, Lake City, Darlington, Mullins, Red Springs, Kingstree, Pembroke, Andrews, Maxton, Timmonsville, McCole, Johnsonville, Latta, Pamlico, Roland, and Lamar. The forecast for Churchill and surrounding area. Wind advisory now in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday,